What's going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. Y'all know I'm making it. Welcome to another episode of Bartending with Bones. Today, we're doing up the Bacardi Stinger. Y'all already know its cousin, the rum and coke. This one has a little something else added to it. This one is Bacardi 151, Coke, and some Di-Serono. Let's begin. First, you need a highball glass with some cracked ice in it. Get your jigger with the 1.5 ounce end in it. Then get your 151. Pour it out. Get your Di-Serono. Another 1.5 ounces of that. Now grab your Coke. That's about 3 ounces. Cheers, everybody. Oh yeah. Got that pop from the and punch from that Bacardi 151. Then it's got the sweetness from the amaretto. Then it's got the fizz from that Coke. Definitely something different than just the traditional rum and coke. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.